Hey, what's up, y'all? This your man BG with Pallet Pros Academy, and I'm just here today, man, with my man Troy. I'm about to show him to y'all in a second, man. We just did a ride along today, and he rolled with me and got to see a little bit of this pallet business, and it's gonna get a testimonial from this brother to so he can let y'all know that this business is real. You can make some money with this, and some of the things that he learned today. All right, man. I got my man Troy here. Out of Queens, New York, but he's down here in Atlanta, and he actually found me online, and me and him, he booked a 15-minute consultation session with me, and we chopped it up, and he decided he wanted to do a ride along with me to see how this business operates, and so we're just gonna do he's just gonna give a quick testimonial about how things went today, and what he feels like where this business can take him. So what's up, Troy? How you doing, man?
I'm good, man. Thanks for having me.
Man, I appreciate it. Appreciate you doing the ride along today, man. So real quick before we get into that, we just want to ask, what made you reach out to Pallet Pros Academy to inquire about this pallet business?
I came across your videos online, and I just like what I heard. You've shown the ins and outs of what you do, and I decided to book the consultation. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, definitely, man. And we had a good conversation on that first consultation, and then you actually reached out to me to do a ride along, man. So tell me just a quick overview today of what you learned. What did you witness today as we did that ride along? What were your expectations? I'll say that. What did you think before you got with me?
What did I think? I don't know. It's a good one. I was expecting for you to show me what you do.
Okay.
And you did exactly that. You exceeded that. You exceeded those expectations.
Okay.
You showed me your warehouse. You took me to, your stops, and you breaking things down with me between the stops.
Okay.
And I can't say thank you enough. Like, you definitely exceeded my expectations.
Awesome, man. And so today, man, how much money did you see me make today?
Almost $1,100.
And how many hours did that take?
I met you at 9 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock.
Okay, cool. And we could have stopped earlier, but I took you to some other spots too and introduced you to a couple people that I know.
Yep.
So we really could have stopped around 1. So about 4 hours almost. About almost close to $1,100.
$1,100 in, what you say, 4 hours? 5 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you definitely exceeded my expectations. You made it real. I've been researching the pallet game online. And I came across you, and meeting you in person and doing a ride along, it definitely made it real.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Well, I definitely appreciate you reaching out, man. I'm glad that I was able to reach back, brother, and provide you with some knowledge and some wisdom within this course, man. And I know that once you become a part of Pallet Pros Academy, brother, that you're gonna go far. For sure, man. So this is the type of things that we do with Pallet Pros Academy. I want to see everybody that joins and gets into this group, into this community, definitely win. And this is the type of things I do for my students that are definitely within the same geographical location as I am, man, because I want to see everybody win. So Troy, I definitely want to say thank you, man, for doing the ride along with me today, brother. I'm glad that you learned a lot. I'm glad that you found out that this business is real. It's a viable option to something that you can get into and definitely grow, man. And I want to see you succeed, brother. So you got any last words for the folks out there, man?
Mess with the Pallet Pros, man. I can't say it enough. Like,
okay,
you exceeded my expectations, for real.
Awesome, brother. All right, man. I appreciate it. All right, y'all. This your man BG, Pallet Pros Academy. Checking out. I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.
All right,